Finding the best rice cooker for one person can feel harder than it should be, especially when most models are made for big families. The best rice cooker for one person is compact, easy to clean, and cooks small portions without wasting rice or space. I've tested a few in my own small kitchen, and I've learned what truly works for solo meals and busy weeknights. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. All product links in description, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. AROMA Select Stainless Rice Cooker 6 Cup. The AROMA Select Stainless Rice Cooker 6 Cup is a simple and solid choice for everyday meals. I like that it uses a 304 steel pot with no coating inside. It feels sturdy and safe for daily use. The one-touch lever makes cooking easy. Just add rice and water, then press down. It switches to warm on its own when the rice is done. This size works well for small families or meal prep. It can cook up to 3 cups uncooked rice, which gives enough for dinner and leftovers. I also use it for oatmeal and soups, which is a nice bonus. The inner pot is dishwasher safe, so cleanup is quick. It does not have fancy digital settings, but it is reliable and easy to use. If you want stainless steel and no fuss, this one feels like a smart buy. Number 4. YumAsia Kumo YumCarb Rice Cooker. The YumAsia Kumo YumCarb Rice Cooker feels like a big upgrade from basic models. I noticed the texture of the rice right away. The fuzzy logic AI adjusts heat and time on its own. That means less guesswork for me. The YumCarb mode is great when I want lighter rice with less starch. It's helpful if you're trying to eat a bit healthier. The ceramic bowl feels thick and strong. It does not scratch easily, and cleanup is simple with a quick wipe. I also like the clear LED display and smart button panel. It looks modern on the counter. With 5 rice modes and 3 multi-cook options, it can handle white rice, brown rice, porridge, and even slow-cook meals. It costs more than basic cookers, but the results feel worth it. If you cook rice often, this one gives steady, high-quality results every time. Number 3. BLACK+DECKER 3-Cup Rice Cooker White. The BLACK+DECKER 3-Cup Rice Cooker White is a simple pick for small meals and quick sides. I like using it when I just need rice for dinner and don't want a big batch. The Auto Keep Warm feature helps a lot. It keeps the rice hot without drying it out. The steam basket is also handy. I often steam veggies or dumplings while the rice cooks below. It makes up to 3 cups cooked, which is great for 1 or 2 people. The inner non-stick bowl is easy to clean, though I prefer hand washing to keep it nice. The compact size fits well in small kitchens and apartments. It's basic and has no fancy settings, but that's part of the charm. If you want an affordable, no-stress rice cooker, this one does the job well. Number 2. BARBEAR Mini Rice Cooker 2 Cups. The BARBEAR Mini Rice Cooker 2 Cups feels like a cute and compact option that feels just right for small spaces. I found it perfect for simple weeknight meals when I don't want to use the stove. The one-touch cook button makes it so easy. Just press and wait about 25 minutes. It shifts to keep warm mode on its own, which helps avoid dry or burnt rice. This size works well for 1 to 2 people, and it truly feels like the best rice cooker for single person living in a dorm or small apartment. I like the non-stick inner pot because cleanup is quick. The extended steam port also helps prevent messy spills, which is great in tight kitchens. It's not made for large batches, but for daily solo meals, it feels reliable and stress-free. Number 1. EMSON Rice Robot Personal Rice Cooker. The EMSON Rice Robot Personal Rice Cooker is a smart choice if you want the best rice cooker for one person in a small kitchen. I like how it fits in tight spaces like dorm rooms or small apartments. The Click Cook tech keeps things simple. Just press down and let it work. It switches to Auto Keep Warm when the rice is done, so I never stress about burning. The 1-quart size is perfect for solo meals or light meal prep. It cooks 2 cups uncooked rice, which is great for a few lunches. The non-stick PFS-free pot is easy to clean, and the steamer tray helps with quick veggies. It may feel small for guests, but for daily use, it truly feels like the best rice cooker for one person who wants ease and value. Final verdict. After testing all the cookers, I personally recommend the EMSON Rice Robot Personal Rice Cooker as the best overall pick. It hits the sweet spot for everyday cooking with easy operation, reliable results, and a size that fits most solo kitchens perfectly. It just feels right if you want a simple, stress-free solution. If you're on a tighter budget or want a compact option for small spaces, I also recommend the Bar-Bear Mini Rice Cooker 2 cups. It's easy to use, great for quick meals, and perfect for dorms or small apartments. Check the link in the description for current prices and more details, and pick the rice cooker that fits your style and need best.